just a good old boy.
Alrighty, y'all. Well, today's the day a lot of y'all have been waiting for. Finally getting to use the new baler again. Got this thing down. Been a while since I've been able to use it. I'm not going now. I'm gonna go ahead and tell y'all this now because I already know how this field is. I'm not going to be running fast today. I'm going to be taking my time because this field I am in is rough. There is holes, there is ditches, there is the ground itself just rides rough. So I'm not going to be trying to break no land speed records or time records or nothing like that. So there ain't going to be no drone footage either because I left the drone, all the batteries is dead in it because I've been using it the last 2 or 3 days. And I hadn't been able to, had time to charge the batteries up and everything, and the SD card in it's full too. So we're just going to be dealing with the regular cameras today. We are square baling and round baling both today. Hopefully, if everything goes good, we'll be square baling too today. I was intending on rolling this entire field, but the forecast for the weather and long range is showing after this week the temperatures are going to drop 10 degrees, and then it's going to be, with this Bermuda, it's going to be nearly impossible to get it to dry out for square bales. So what I'm doing is I'm just simply going to bale all I can of it right now. The rough ground that I don't want to run my square baler over, I'm going to roll it. Because this field, like I said, it is rough. There's certain areas I just don't want to run that square baler over. It's not because it can't go over it. It's just that I don't want to run it over because I don't want to take a chance on tearing nothing up on it. In case I do get to use it, that and I'll need to get these bales up, so I want to do it. It's a good center section out in this field. I've square baled this before and recorded it, but it's been a while. There's a good center section out in this field that lays okay and it's perfect for square baling. Around the outside, and there's a big hill over there. It's not fun to square bale. I mean, we can do it, but there's a lot of ditches and everything with the accumulator and all. It's just not ideal. So, and I need the round rolls. I need rolls, Foresight rolls too. So it works out good. That way I can get some round bales up, and then I can get the square bales I need too. It looks like we're going to have a pretty good week for this week, or this past week. We've gotten up 3,000 and something square bales, and for a decent week. I mean, considering I didn't have any help hauling squares and I had to haul them all by myself, we'll get up about 3,000 and a little over that, hopefully. It's messing me up. I got my lines backwards. I want to try them that way. It's more how I run it with the clouse. Because the float on this tractor's up. And normally I push up to open the hatch and pull down to close it. Well, this baler here, you have to run it in float. So it's a little bit, I have to run it backwards. I have to pull down to go up and then push it in float and drop it. Now, that's one nice thing though about that float. I didn't think I'd like it, but I really like it now. You can stick it in float and the hatch automatically closes itself and latches, so then I don't have to stay there and keep holding it. I can just shove it in float and move on. I really like that, but and we're gonna have a bunch of round rolls to get up too. I gotta haul all the rolls up tomorrow. It's the last day of pretty weather, they're saying. After tomorrow, the rain chance goes up. It's gonna be a little bit of a pill then after that, and then the temp drop. that's enough for today. Thank y'all for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.